Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable buzz boost for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the app you will see the same menu. You need to scroll down just a bit and you need to find audio effects, click at that line and go to audio balance at the bottom. Then click at the selected preset. I have custom right now, you may have standard or something else. Tap on it and right here we have enhance buzz. Select it by tapping and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.